Hi everyone, welcome back again. Right, so back on the Rover, and this time I'm going to be finishing putting the bits back on the engine so we can finally get it to start up. Right, so I've pushed it back a bit so I've got a bit more room to work. So first thing I need to do is fit the valley gasket in the rock. Well, not in the rocker go. Fit the valley gasket, fit the carbon the manifold, which is over there, which is all cleaned up, which I did do a short video of that during the week. So yeah, hopefully this all goes well. What I am going to do first though is the cam lube, because obviously I put a load of it on the cam when I put it together. I'm just going to pour a drop of it down the valley here, just for a bit more. Probably overkill, but it'll make me feel happier anyway. Right, yeah, so let's do it. I'm sure this won't do any harm, so yeah, at least we know there's plenty on there now. Right, let's go and find the valley gasket and then we'll sort that out. Right, so I've got some instant gasket, but all I'm going to do, it's got one of these that goes each end. What I was looking up, it did say about cutting the ends, but these appear to be quite a good fit, so all I'm going to do is just put a little blob, and I mean a little blob, just on the end. Just like that. And these seem to fit quite nice, even though they're not genuine ones. We hope anyway. I guess we'll find out once it's running. Don't know if you. I'm just going to do the same on this end. And then put this one on. You probably can't see this one very well, but don't want too much because you don't want the silicone getting in the engine. But, well, it's not silicone, it's RTV. Well, you know, everyone calls it silicone, don't they? And just a little bit on the tops, just on the corners. Hopefully we'll be good to go in a minute. We hope. I'm all guessing because I've never done this before, I've got to be honest. Right, and all I'm going to do is just put a bit of Hylamar around the water ones, just to be sure. If we can find it, oh, there it is, here we go. Oh. Not a lot, just a little bit. Excellent, we'll put a bit on top of the gasket once that's sat on there as well. My plan is just to hold the valley gasket in place just with a couple of bolts, just so I can line it up. Right, back in a sec. Right, so I've got a valley gasket now. I'm not quite sure how these, and just like that. Like I say, I think if I put a bolt in each corner for a minute, maybe not then. Right. I thought they was going in crooked then, but they're not. They do go in crooked. That's strange, isn't it? They'll hold that there. They'll hold that there. Right, excellent. And now we've got a clamp for the back and the front. Just tighten that down. We remember we've done with the top. No, that's him nipped up. Right. Hopefully now we just want to check that I can get the bolts in all the holes. Yeah. Yeah. I think now it's clamped down, it's sort of pulled it in straight now. Yeah, they all line up by the look of it. Excellent. Alright. So whip these ones back out now. A couple of them are longer than the others, but that becomes self-evident when you put it together, I think. I hope. Alright, so once again, just going to put a little bit of Island Mail around the water ones. Probably don't need it, but I don't want to have to take this to bits again. I will torque the ones down on the inlet manifold. Right, excellent. Right, drop it in place. Here we go. Right. Obviously this hasn't had the edge skimmed or anything, so I shouldn't have any problems lining up anyway. But you never know, do you? There's something not right there. About a minute, that pipe, I'll put that pipe on round the wrong way and on the bottom, surely. How else can that join to that to that? Right, the batten's set. Right, no, so I was wrong. I was having a moment then thinking I put the pipe on, this pipe on wrong, but I haven't, because this one here joins over to here, and that one there goes on top of there. But I had that pipe hook down there out of the way, see, so I didn't see that. Right, so crisis averted. Right, so I'm going to finish putting these bolts in, and then I'll try and stick the camera up somewhere so you can look down and see. I'll torque them all up. Right, so the book says 30 pound-foot, 40 newton meters, so we've got that all set, and we just go crisscross. That's a good start, isn't it? That's really awkward getting in there with that. That's it, we got it. That one. That one. That one. That one. Right, I don't think I missed one, but I'll just go across some more. It does seem to loosen them slightly as it's pulling it down, I guess. I think we'll go round again. I think we'll be there now though. Yeah. Not pulling down anymore now. Yeah, good enough I think. Right, just have a think about what I'm doing next and then I'll be back. Right, I'm nearly there now. I'm just going to get the oil pump primed back up, which shouldn't take a lot anyway. I just want to be doubly sure. Yeah, that's you can feel the pressure building up almost instantly then. Yeah, that's built up. So that's all good. Right, so I need to put the other rocker cover on it now. And then it'd be time to put a distributor in.